Most people use ChatGPT every day, but almost no one knows about this hidden privacy switch that instantly protects everything you type. It's called temporary chat, and it turns ChatGPT into a private, no history mode with one click. Today, I'm going to show you where it is, what it does, and when you should use it, because it can save you from making some huge mistakes with sensitive data. When you chat normally, ChatGPT saves your conversations in your sidebar, and your messages can be used to help improve the model. But with temporary chat, nothing gets saved, and nothing is used to improve future models. It's the closest thing to a private room inside ChatGPT. Here's how to activate it. It only takes 2 seconds. Click New Chat, then on the top right-hand side, hit the temporary chat button. There you go. You'll get this message indicating that temporary chat is activated. So the real question is, when should you actually use this feature? Think of temporary chat as your private room inside ChatGPT. And there are 4 moments when it becomes a lifesaver. First, sensitive work information. Anytime you're pasting internal work documents, client files, spreadsheets, or anything that could get you in trouble at work, flip it on. Don't risk it. Second, personal or embarrassing questions. Health concerns, family issues, financial worries, anything you'd rather keep private. Temporary chat makes sure it disappears when you close the window. Third, big creative ideas. New startup concepts, product ideas, business plans, especially the stuff you don't want saved in your history. Use the private mode so nothing sticks around. And fourth, when you're helping someone else. If you're pasting someone else's information, a friend, a coworker, a client, this protects their privacy too. Now, one quick reminder. Temporary chat doesn't make you anonymous, and it doesn't turn off the model's intelligence. It simply stops saving your chats and using them for training. The second you close the session, everything is wiped. So next time you need privacy, activate the temporary chat feature. If you want more hidden ChatGPT features like this, hit subscribe so you never fall behind.